please allow me to add my own commendations to the joyous cavalcade of voices who are celebrating your most worthy achievement, to all of you who have attained your citizenship and finalized it today. Even if by no other means, the challenging and reflective process by which you have attained your citizenship means that you know very well how citizenship in this land of liberty brings with it not only a protection of your own rights, but also a call to protect the rights of others. To that end, I would like to share with you a sentiment that I wrote for the occasion of my retirement on March 4th of 1809 from my service as president of the nation that I helped to found. In my farewell to the citizens of Washington, D.C., I wrote that the station which we occupy among the nations of the earth is honorable, but awful. I then went on to say that the citizens of the United States are trusted with the destinies of this solitary republic of the world, the only monument of human rights, and the sole depository of the sacred fire of freedom and self-government. From hence it is to be lighted up in other regions of the earth. With your new status as citizens of a nation that defines itself as a monument of human rights, you have become torch-bearers and guardians of the sacred fire of freedom. I congratulate you, and I call upon you to hold aloft that flame, not merely to give light to the world by our ideals of human equality, not merely to light your own way, but to enlighten the world by the reasonable and informed manner in which you practice those ideals in your daily lives.